other cell types, multipotent, multilineage differentiation, ability to engraft to another host, a cell that has the ability to continuously divide and differentiate into different cells and tissues. So in short, it's a super cell, right? So like we all in the cartoon world, we say super, right? So super cell which can become anything it wants to become. You know, we keep telling our children, you can become anything you want to become, similarly with stem cells. So they are our super cells, right? So the different types of cells, stem cells, you have the adult and the embryonic. We'll touch on the embryonic stem cells a little bit later. And in the adult, though it says adult children also have the same stem cells, so you have the hematopoietic and mesenchymal. And the sources are the umbilical cord blood, the bone marrow and the dental pulp, right? So dental pulp is a new addition, relatively newcomer to this field of work. This cartoon is self-explanatory. About embryonic stem research, all of you must have heard in the US, there was a big noise about embryonic stem cell research, that it should not be done. But if you see this, that's America, right? Okay. Salient features of the stem cells, they have immense regenerative capacities, can be used to become tissues, organs, are responsible for repair of the body. I think we need to keep that in mind, and can be stored for long term without any change, right? So dental pulp stem cells, I'm just going to say now DSC because DPSC is, you know, I'm kind of faltering there, so DSC. So that is the hero for today's discussion and the hero in this gentleman's life, the dental pulp stem cells, yeah? So what are they? There is a live tissue inside the tooth and wherein are housed these stem cells. The best dental stem cells are found in the milk teeth between the ages of 6 to 12, but also in the wisdom teeth, so of young adults. I think it says somewhere here 30 plus, but I think 17 to 21, the wisdom teeth at that age are also quite good to harvest. Okay. Now what are the dental stem cells? How are they different?